Have an aging HVAC unit or just want to save on your utility bill? Don't sweat it. American Home Shield can help you with exclusive pricing on a new HVAC system. With the new HVAC program, AHS members don't need to wait for a breakdown. They can leverage our national buying power to save thousands off retail pricing on a new HVAC system at any time. And that's not all. You can breathe easy knowing you'll have lower energy bills, improved air quality, and eco-friendly equipment. Here's how it works. Log into My Account or the AHS app to request a free quote. An HVAC pro will assess your current HVAC system and will provide a quote for a full or partial system replacement with options from trusted name brands. Plus, you'll enjoy easy ordering, affordable financing options, and no-hassle installation. Now that's cool. Request your free quote today. Log in to the AHS app or visit ahs.com/new-HVAC.